Now the last one I have in here, it's the will versus going to. Will versus going to. Both of them, they express the future. They refer to the future. But when shall I use will and when shall I use be going to future? Will is used to express future actions decided at the moment of speaking. For example, I say, I will visit my mom. It's a decision that I made. And I say, I will visit my mom. I'll have a salad now. Express a prediction based on personal options or experiences. And what do I say by predictions? It means guesses. To guess something or to have a prediction to predict. And the last one let's use is express a future fact. For example, we have facts in the future that we need to, for example, to speak about, etc. So we use the will future. The sun will rise tomorrow. It's a scientific fact. Be going to, it expresses the future plans. For example, I have a schedule or I have a planning. So I need to use be going to. For example, tomorrow I'm going to do this, and that. So in here I use be going to. Express a prediction based on present evidence. Example, look at those black clouds. I see the sky and I see black clouds. So I say, it's going to rain. The last one or the last use is express that something is about to happen. Something is about to happen, okay? Get back, the bomb is going to explode, okay? So that's the difference between will and be going to future. Now let's have some practice. 5 statements in here, we are going to do them together, okay? 5 statements, verbs between brackets. Andy, sometimes, I need you to pay attention to this. Andy, sometimes, comics, we have the verb to read. Andy, subject pronoun. What do we say? Is it simple present or present continuous? What do we say? We have sometimes, pay attention to this in here. And we say, Andy sometimes reads simple present, because with simple present we use adverbs of frequency. 2, we have another adverb of frequency in here. We never, and we have to watch TV in the morning. We never to watch TV in the morning. What do you say? We never watch TV in the morning. 3, listen. Sandy, the verb to sing in the bathroom, which means that an action is happening now. Sandy, and we say, is singing. Sandy is singing in the bathroom. 4, my sister usually, also an adverb of frequency, usually helps in the kitchen. And please pay attention, I have the S in here and also in here because it's a he and this is a she. My sister, Andy. The last one, we have the verb to make. My mother, breakfast now. An action that is happening now. So what do we say? My mom is making breakfast. My mom is making breakfast. And whenever you have now, look or listen, you need to use the present continuous. Okay? So let's move to the other activity. In this exercise, we need to put the verbs between brackets in simple present or simple past or past perfect. We do it together. 5 statements, verbs between brackets. Number 1, Peter, and we have the verb to play football yesterday. Yesterday. What do you say in here? Is it past simple or present perfect? Peter played, because we have yesterday in here. Played. Number 2, they, the verb to clean the car. It looks. Pay attention to the justification. It looks new again. It's they have cleaned. Present perfect. They have cleaned. They have cleaned the car. 3, The last year or last year we have lost the verb to go to Italy. What do you say? Last year we went is the verb to go because we have lost verb to go in the past simple. For John and Sarah, two people, John and Sarah, we have the verb to finish with just. Finish, just. What do you say? John and Sarah, whenever you have just, already, and yet, you use the past or the present perfect and you say, have just finished. They have just finished the book. Now they can watch the film. Okay? So, as I said, whenever you have just, already, and yet, you use the present perfect. Number 5, the last one. I, my friend, 2 days ago. I, my friend, 2 days ago. The verb to meet. 2 days ago. A time expression of the simple past. And we say, I met with only one E. And I say, I met my friend 2 days ago. Great. The last exercise in grammar, we need to choose the correct option. We need to circle or choose the correct option. We have they, a new computer, are going to get or will get. I don't have a computer and I have a plan in my head. Do I say they will get or are going to get? Of course it's are going to get because it's a plan, it's a future plan. 2. Number 2. I think my mother, the CD. I think, I'm not sure. And I say, I think my mom will like. 3. Paul's sister is pregnant. She is pregnant. She's going to deliver a baby. So what do we say? Paul's sister is going to have a baby. Okay? Because it's obvious and it's an action that is about happening. They are going to arrive or they will arrive about. In here we have about, which means we are not sure. It's about 4 o'clock. And we say they will arrive. We are not sure. The last one, look at the clouds. I see clouds up in the sky. Look at the clouds. It is going to rain or it will rain soon. If I say, look at the clouds, it's going to rain because I see some clouds up in the sky. So that was it for grammar. We have another activity in writing, actually, and we will finish this review. Okay, so in this activity, we have some scrambled words. We need to put them in the correct order, okay? We need to put them in the correct order. Reorder the words to write sentences. We have generous, are, people, and Moroccan, friendly. What do you say in here? The first one, we try to find the subject pronoun. And we say, Moroccan people, verb, friendly, are friendly and generous, adjectives. 2, grow, food, they, dates, in, fabulous. And we say, they grow fabulous dates in food. They grow fabulous dates in food. 3, like because it Moroccan delicious tourists is food. And we say, tourists like Moroccan food because it's delicious. Great. The last one, they Moroccan tourists a lot weather like. And we say in here, tourists like the Moroccan weather a lot. So thank you so much for your attention. I hope you got the lesson. See you in another session.